Welcome to day 19 of our 30-day ritual and guided meditation. Tonight we will be focusing on fine-tuning your goals. You don't need 10 goals, you need one that matters. Simplify. What is my main focus for this cycle? Focus creates momentum. Elaborate on your 2 goals from the previous night. What can you do each day, each moment to get there? Take your time. Over the past few days, you've begun reconnecting to what feels aligned and meaningful to you. But clarity can sometimes bring overwhelm, too many ideas, too many directions, too many possibilities. Today, we focus your energy not by forcing certainty, but by simplifying your attention. When you're ready, find a comfortable position and gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold gently for a moment and exhale slowly through your mouth. Again, inhale deeply. Feel your chest expand, your ribs widen, hold, and exhale long and steady. One more time, inhale, hold, and exhale, releasing tension. Now allow your breath to settle into a calm, natural rhythm. Bring your awareness into your body. Start at the top of your head and slowly move your attention downward. Relax your forehead. Soften your eyes. Release your jaw. Let your shoulders drop. Your chest soften. Relax your stomach, your hips, your legs, all the way down to your feet. Feel your body supported, grounded, present. As the moon continues to grow brighter, its light becomes more focused and visible each night. And today, you're doing the same, bringing focus to what matters most. Now gently bring to mind the things you've been reflecting on, the goals, the desires, the changes you want to make. Notice them without trying to organize them. Now imagine all of those thoughts floating around you like scattered lights. Some feel important, some feel urgent, some may not truly belong to you anymore. Now gently ask yourself what feels most important in this season of my life. Not forever, just right now. Don't force the answer. Notice what keeps pulling your attention calmly, not loudly. Often, what matters most feels steady, not chaotic. Take a slow breath in, and as you exhale, imagine your energy gathering into one clear direction. Again, inhale and exhale, allowing your mind and body to settle into focus. Picture yourself giving your attention fully to this one area. Not perfectly, but intentionally. Notice how it feels to stop scattering your energy. You do not need to do everything at once. Focus creates momentum, and momentum creates change. Bring your awareness back to your breath. Inhale slowly, exhale fully. Feel your body steady, clear, centered. Silently repeat to yourself, I focus my energy on what matters most. When you're ready, gently bring movement back into your body. And slowly open your eyes. You don't need to chase every possibility. Just give your energy to what matters most. Right now, I'll see you tomorrow for day 20.